This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch on or off the visual obstacle avoidance on this drone. So there are ultimately two ways you can do that. So first method is to open the regular camera feed of the AUTEL Explorer app, and here you'll find the, obstacle avoidance icon. It is located left to the settings button. So press it and confirm to switch it off. So once it is in red, it means that the obstacle avoidance is disabled. And if you would like to enable it, just press at the very same icon and make it green. The second method is to launch settings, then go into visual navigation, and here you have the visual obstacle avoidance. So you can switch it off or turn it on from here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.